Trying to sell some parts and pieces on a Corvette today. Here's a stack of everything we've got. And I hadn't even got this right here, pictures took of it yet, but I do have all the other pictures took. So stay tuned. Right behind this little introduction is my pictures and videos of what we got for sale. If you're needing something and you don't see it here, call me. I might have it. Kustomz 706-244-4338. Here's a set of headlight bezels for a 1975 Corvette. We have several parts and pieces for this. I have the headlamps also. We got headlamps, we got of course radiator support, we've got sun visors, every what you're needing. But they're right here, we're talking about the bezels, so let me know if you need these. The bezels are $80 for the pair here at Kustomz. 3 headlight rings from a 1975 Corvette. These were $30, $10 a piece. Here we've got some 1975 covers. This covers the T-top in a 1975 Corvette. They're in really, really good shape. I don't think there's anything wrong with them. Maybe for a 75, these look really good. We've got these, and we have some more parts available. I'm going to post this on TikTok that shows all my other parts available. Or if y'all need something, call me 706-244-4338. We're trying to get rid of some 1975 Corvette parts. Got a big sale going on here at Kustomz. Call me. Here's the middle piece that goes between the T-tops on a 1975 Corvette. If you're interested in this, let me know. We got a lot of pieces for sale on a Corvette. Come see us at Kustomz, Toccoa, Georgia. Here's some nice interior trim pieces for a 1975 Corvette. They're in pretty good shape. Don't really see any major damage on any of it. Let me know if we can help you. Alright, this looks like the console for a 1975 Corvette. It does have a broke piece right here, and it's got a piece broken right here. So otherwise, it looks like it's in pretty decent shape. That can be repaired. There's a crack right there too, and right there. We have other pieces available for this. Just let me know what you need. We also have the AC control here. If this is something you're interested in, you can let me know. We got a radiator support.
Yeah, right? Core support for radiator off a 1975 Corvette.
Is that the C3 series, or I think that might be
that's what they said.
Yeah.
C3.
We got a lot of different parts for this Corvette. Got a video on YouTube and TikTok. Posted individually on Marketplace and eBay. Check us out, Kustomz, Toccoa, Georgia, 706-244-4338. And we got a Corvette antenna, 1975.
Yeah, 1975 Corvette. The antenna for it. I'm not really sure if it works or not, because the car was not running whenever it was, but I never did fire it up myself and didn't even think about checking the antenna or nothing.
Yeah.
But here it is.
I think we got 25 on it.
Yeah, $25.
Sold as is. But we got a lot of other parts, so let us know if you need something.